Hi, some people ask me, do I have a message for you? Well, my message for you, I want you to know that minahal kita. No, minahal kita. Huwag mong isipin na hindi kita minahal. Minahal kita, mahal kita, minahal kita. Pero kaya lang, naisip ko lang, kaya ako nag-hold on dati kasi nagbabaka sakali ako na magbago ka, na maayos yung buhay mo. Ngayon, mukhang walang pagbabago, so lagi na lang away-bati, it's like a routine already, so it's not healthy anymore na magbabati, hindi naman mag-aaway ulit. So napagod ako, nagbitiw na ako. Well, you're free already. You can do whatever you want in your life now. I wish you all the best. Sana yung mga pangarap mo, matupad mo. Na umayos na yung buhay mo, you can help your family, Umayos na. Yun lang without me. I think you don't need me anymore. So yun. Ang ano ko lang, wag mong isipin na hindi kita minahal kita. Yun lang. So, I wish you good health. Sana lagi kang hindi nasakit ipin mo or anything na nagpapababy ka. So, yun lang. Thank you for everything that you've given me for the past 2 months. Kahit papaano, bittersweet yun. So, everything it's treasured. I've learned so much from you as well. My temper, my patience, and to love somebody, to love someone like you. Yun lang, and thank you. Yun lang, thank you. I don't know what to say. Thank you, and hindi ako galit. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at you. I'm okay. I'll be okay. We should be okay. Yun lang. Sana mag-grow ka as a person. So you need to prioritize the things that you want to do in life para hindi masayang. Kasi I know you have a good heart as well. Yun lang. Thank you and have a good luck to your life.